Hello and welcome to my channel Al Hadi Learning Center. In this video we will be learning how to multiply and divide sums with negative numbers. This video is negative numbers part 2. In part 1 we learned how to add and subtract negative numbers. So let's get started. You might find it a bit tricky, but I am going to explain it in very simple way. Multiplication and division rules. When multiplying and dividing using negative numbers, we use a set of special rules to help us. The rule is negative times negative equals positive. Negative times positive equals negative. There are same rules for the division. Negative divided with negative equals positive. Negative divided by positive equals negative. Let's make it more simple. For example, if the question is minus 3 times minus 7, take the question as though there are no signs before the number 3 and 7. Let's forget about the sign. So 3 times 7 equals 21. Now let's work out the signs. Negative and negative equals positive. We know the rule is negative times negative equals positive. So the question is 21, positive 21. Another example, 80 divided by minus 10. So let's forget about sign. 10 divided by 80. How many 10 goes into 80? 8. Now let's work out the sign. Negative and positive. So we know the rule is negative divided by positive equals negative. So negative 8. In negative numbers, the bigger numbers are actually smaller. For example, minus 3 is higher than minus 9. It's easy to think that 9 is higher than 3, but in negative numbers, it's opposite. For example, minus 10 is lower than minus 5. Minus 15 is lower than minus 7. So, negative numbers are opposite of the positive numbers. Here is a top tip for you. If the numbers have the same sign, the answer is positive. For example, minus 15 times minus 3. Same sign, negative and negative. The signs are same. This means the number will become positive. 15 times 3. 2 negative. Same sign. So the answer is 45. Positive 45. Same sign, positive answer. If the number have different signs, the answer will be negative. For example, 24 divided with minus 3. So, two different signs. There is one negative number. This means the answer of the sum will be negative. So, positive and negative, two different signs. How many 3 goes into 24? 8. Two different signs, positive and negative. So the answer will be negative minus 8. I hope this video will be helpful for you. In my next video, I will be talking about why two negatives are equals to positive. Why two negatives equals to positive. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your family and friends.